Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It is amazing to be in the kitchen. Now we're going to marinate a whole of chicken. How to season the whole of chicken. It's going to be an easy one today, not too complicated. Chicken season is a must. So we're going to put a large tablespoon of chicken season. Nothing too complicated on this one today. Let's see if I have any paprika. I love using whole per season. I don't have any paprika. No rush, no fuss. All right. Pepper. Right. I'm gonna put some mixed herb. 1 tablespoon of mixed herb. And some fresh thyme. I'm gonna put some garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful. Some spring onion. This is just a little bit of all-purpose season. Tiny bit, you know. One tablespoon of natural blending season. Got some dry thyme. Put a little bit of dry thyme on it. Little bit of paprika, chili, just to bring a flavor to it. So the beauty behind this chicken is this. I wanna show you exactly what's the secret behind the chicken. All right. Once you marinate the chicken, put it in your freezer or your fridge, or you can cook it in 24 hours. So, like so today is, if today's Saturday or Sunday or whatever, you know what I mean, you need to marinate the meat before you cook it. I'm always preaching that, you know what I mean, because that can bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken. So what we're gonna do now, season the chicken. All right. Look at that. Now, as you can see for yourself what's going on, I have a red onion. I'm gonna stuff it straight in the belly with some season. And then that season gonna stay right in that chicken. I'm gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it. All right. Now I'm gonna get some butter. This is the secret behind it. I'm using some unsalted butter. rub it on it like this. Beautiful and nice, lovely marinated chicken, guys. Look at that. So that is finished, done and dusted, and honestly it is amazing to know what I can do at home with chicken. So that's the roast chicken right there. All right, so you might have said, Chef Ricardo, I forgot to show so you cook it. 175 electric oven, gas mark 6 or 7, roast it out for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and you're good to go. Beautiful recipe. All right, so take the time out to say thank you guys for, you know what I mean, watching Chef Ricardo show, and that it is right there today, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Beautiful one.